Many people they die on Indian roads. Roughly every day 400 fatalities roughly. And anyway, due to pandemic, maybe reduced, but recently yesterday's paper, it came two-wheeler incidents are increased comparing to 2018 and now it is increasing. Decade of road safety is 2010 to 20, now it is increased to 2030 because we are unable to fulfill. So what main area we need to find out? Road safety education means a practical defensive driving, that is a one type of another. Now into the case study, okay, you can go fast, but where is position? You want to go straight. 1, 2, 3 lanes are there. So where he has to position, present situation, how to cross, we need to teach. Where the pedestrian crossing will be there? At a junction. Draw imaginary line. Why we need to cross at a junction? Because you are more visible. See and to be seen by others. हम देखना भी हम दूसरों को दिखना है. Okay. Two ladies. Video on, video on. Video on. Unable to see. That means on here, left side. So better walk on opposite direction. So opposite and not with headphone. Many are, I am sorry if someone is with a headphone and you are listening and you are walking, you are sacrificing your life. Next subject will go for a role of a passenger. What is my role as a passenger? You need to check the light also during night time. Clear, sir? And basically stop light. So learn the potential hazards, right? Again, next mode of a transport, we are into the bus and cars. There are different reasons for incident. Now, the coming to the point, speed, if you see, now I'm standing, my fingers are visible. I'm walking and slowly my peripheral vision is decreasing. I'm into this slide, video on, U-turn. Now you can see my this thing also. On a bend, you should not do any activity. To go, I will show in my animation. I will show in my animation. Suppose I have a two-wheeler and I have to overtake this truck. So there are three things I need to do. First, I have to look to mirror. Mirror, because down, observe this way, this way, this way. Keep a passing gap. I'll stop the video. On headphone, driver, reversing. He don't have, she don't have. Incident happened. Clear? Drunk driving effect is there. This is near my house. I have taken a clear vision. And the bottom photo, you can see a 0.08 ml. That means 80 mg in 100 ml blood. In foreign country, in 2 lanes, only 2-3 varieties are there. One heavy vehicle, one light vehicle or somewhere. But in India, in Asian country, we have mixed culture. 35 varieties are there. 35 varieties, how you can control, sir? So police is the higher authority. Police, he will control all the 4 roads with his 2 hands. Do se, aage wala ruko, piche se aao, aage se jao. With his 2 hands, he will control. There is no entry if you are going chalan. Beautiful language, better than our language. No speed limit, clear, no honking. Again, here I want to elaborate. People, road rage starts, 60% road rage starts from horn only. This is easy way of communication. Kick, 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 kick. I'll see. This is it. The more you honk, the more we are entering into the road rage. What is the meaning of horn? I am informing my presence on the road. मैं road में हूँ करके बता रहा हूँ. If somebody is there, he cannot see my vehicle. I am behind the person. उसके पीछे हूँ. Kick, kick. I am informing. There is no challan, but they have given warning. They have given warning. Bhai sahab, if you are going fast, na, you will go there. If you are going slow, you will go home. अगर धीरे गया तो घर जाएगा, तेजी में गया तो ऊपर जाएगा. I am going in a 60 speed here. So think there is a parking area. I am going in a 60. The truck fellow will come in 20 speed. Starting and on road, 60-20 will not match. Expect the unexpected. Slow down. After crossing the parking area, you speed up. No problem at all. As per environment, change your position. This portion you need to protect. And helmet should be light color. Otherwise, make a reflective. And this portion, because maximum 34% impact will be here. Chin strap. People are wearing helmet but not wearing chin strap. Okay, I'll skip that one. Now truck is moving. You see my animation. Truck is moving. The red car stopped. Now nobody will stop. No one will stop. Blue car is moving. Auto is moving. Now this truck fellow will say, no, nobody is stopping. I will start moving in between. He also took. Now two-wheeler, what I will do? To adopt that culture, what we can do? Hurry, that red car stopped. I'm in a blue car. Let me also stop. We all are living together. We all are one family member. Let him take a turn. After that, we all move together in a single. See how lane discipline. Connect your eyes and ears to your mind. That is what we need to do. Tailgating, traffic distancing, social distancing. COVID is there. Problem is there. We are doing social distancing. Same way traffic distancing. दूरी रखना बहुत जरूरी है. एक गाड़ी से दूसरा गाड़ी. The right side you can see. Right side you can see 0308. You have to, they were like this. Nowadays they are driving like this. Different styles they drive. So how to do? Now I am showing in this way. Just observe my video. Night driving is a problem. You can observe here. You can see here. Also tiger. He is I-beam, I am I-beam. He is blind, I am blind. Europe countries, not in India. Okay, it is very good. But there is a headlight. You can put a small light. Not engage, because people, they don't have, everyone they put in high beam only. When they start vehicle, they are high beam. So you have to sit this way. Helmet, eyes, danger, tuck, collarbone is gone. You have to get cushioning effect, one finger gap, right? This and knee close to the tank. Otherwise, someone hit, this will go. So another one point. In car, this way you sit, right? This way, and the seat adjustment. Okay, this is seat belt, pull towards, and this way. Oh, I was interrupted. Lastly, last and final, steering, always you have to hold 915, not like that. Earlier we used to say like this, power steering came, then we told 1010, 1010 is wrong. Now 915. Why 1010? Earlier we told you wear 1010, but now it is wrong. Reason being, there is a airbag. Now airbag is there, I will get hit. Single hand drivers. So it was some 5-6 points. Then I thought of, because of geographical condition, our environmental position in India across. So let me add up certain few things, which is also good for a defensive driving techniques and driving in on dusk and dawn. That means sunrising and sunsetting. The problem we'll find during sunrising and sunsetting, people switch on their headlight. First, we need to understand when I have to switch on my headlight. Okay, this is our visual line. If you see my cursor visual line, the focus is around 50 to 55 meters around, and the illumination also can be visible. The first, we should adjust the height of the headlight. So in when low beam, your focus will be like this. Left side will be more, right side will be less. All safety triangle, this all things. Rain is, what is rain? Actually, starting the initial period is danger. On a road, before rain, mud, grease, oil, everything accumulated on the road. This may not be adverse condition for other people, other countries, but for us, yes, certainly. What to do? I show one crash investigation which we have done in the bad road condition. Okay, now one investigation I have done. What is that incident? Because of road condition, one person died. Now in FIR, everywhere in FIR, they always, okay, this vehicle hitting, okay, he is at fault, that's all. Or he is at fault or pedestrian is at fault. Always blaming road user. And because of road problem also, there are certain problems. Now I'll show you practically this step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Step 1, what happened? This is the direction of uncoupled side, and this is the area where here trucks were moving. You can see my left side, trucks were moving. The two-wheeler was moving from right side, and he could not judge this. There is a broken condition there. They left it like that without any warning signs, right? And now clear everything. Here this incident happened. Helmet, it's old, more than 5 years of old. Anyway, that is different. Helmet is not a reason for accident. Maybe fatality. Here injury happened. The two-wheeler regularly is regular route. So then he was overtaking here this portion, as we discussed. So here irregular feature. Again, you have to be in hilly area. Another, be prepared for surprises. How I can protect myself. These are the things. Last and final one slide. We have a amber light, sir. Amber, that orange light, which is very good for visibility.
Breakdown maintenance, basically.
Okay, when
If
they
the
were
vehicle
stopped.
breakdown is there on the highway, what
Okay,
precautions
okay,
need to be
correct,
taken?
correct, correct. So here on highway, if you are traveling, a highway, we have one number 1033. Please note down that is a 1033, like foreign country 911. So 1033. Okay. Now, whenever you are traveling on highway and this thing, first of all, you are paying toll. You have a toll slip. So in case of emergency, you will have that number. Emergency numbers are given in the toll receipt. Okay, nowadays, okay, I'm using FASTag. I don't have slip. Okay, the second option. So on mid of the highway, whenever you are traveling, suppose Nagpur, Delhi, I'm traveling. On highway, in the begin, you will find one board, emergency number, emergency number. Just have a pause, take photo and keep it. In case of emergency, you can just see in your photo. So
Dinner during long drives. What are the recommended intake food and quantity for safe driving?
for safe driving, very clear, long driving people, car people, every, like last session I told, every 2 hours stop your vehicle, whether you are tired or not tired also. You need to stop your vehicle for at least few seconds. So you need to plan your journey in that pattern. Okay, 10-15 minutes here and there, no problem. And two-wheeler people, every 1 hour you need to stop, every 1 hour. Just long driving.
Question is regarding what food the driver can eat and how
Food,
much
okay.
quantity. How much quantity?
Quantity. That actually, then dietitian is the best answer. Okay, as a road safety expert, also I'll explain. Not to take completely. So if you have 4 chapati, normally we have. Now I'm going for a driving. So you take it as an installment. This I have practiced it.
One question regarding the problems of the mask actually.
Mask. Okay.
Post-COVID, due to use of mask, fog forms on drivers' eyeglasses. What are the ways to avoid this since this can be also be dangerous?
Good question. Like foggy weather also, even rain mixed with this all. Anyway, fog, even if I keep here, here this will moisture will form. So in car, actually, one single person without mask also rule also came. I think they can go
Yeah,
without.
single person.
But when two persons are there, two, so you need to wear mask. So literally we say, okay, remove here because our own people are there, suppose otherwise plastic sheet are there. So ultimately it's a like a common sense we need to apply. Even cycling, it's a very danger. So likewise, so you can have sheet. Otherwise best way we have one face mask.
Distance for heavy vehicle to use the headlight.
First of all, here position is important, sir. Now there is a testing in transport department. There will be when they go for a fitness test. They have here the mid of the where there is a base point.
The question here during night driving, which light is better, either white or yellow?
For every time, I say yellow is better, sir. For every time, is yellow is better. White is anyway, it's disturbing other traffic. I practically observed. Now scientifically, I need to check.
So if I recollect properly, in France there is a regulation to use yellow bulbs on headlights
Right.
because we used to export vehicles to France and we used to
You
change
can
the
answer
bulbs,
your Maruti. You are in
change
Maruti, yes, sir.
to yellow bulbs. However, I mean, my question is, if that is so, then why all international regulations call for only white bulbs?
That's a controversy. Regulations are different, sir. I understood that we need to check. But ultimately, what observe white light will straight away that attraction will be, and it will be more time will become blind. As I said, 30 kilometers if you are traveling, and if you into 1000 by 16 to 60 in 30 kilometer speed, 2 seconds blind, you're blindly you're crossing 16 meters. So impairing to other, blinding other people. Anyway, that whether white light or yellow light, as of now that is a regulation different. So as a road user, my request is never see here. This you need a practice. Whether white light, get practice to see the peripheral vision.
There is a query regarding for best braking efficiency. What type of tires do you recommend? I thought the answer was very obvious.
uh, That's anyway, I think last session is best
Sudarshan
man,
is,
sir.
yeah, Radial tires.
But ultimately, you see the depth of the tire 1.6
Yeah.
mm, and that we have discussed last time also. You can watch the video.
Swati, any other question from your side?
No, I think we are good, sir. Let's wrap up the session.
So thank you, Dhirendra, again for your
Thank you,
very
sir.
interesting, very informative, very educative session about driving in adverse conditions. I'm sure the participant would have learned a lot about what you have said, and I'm sure everybody will follow all the tips what you have given for safe driving to prevent any accidents on the road. Thank you very much.
Right.
Over to you, Swati.
Thank you, Dhirendra sir. Thank you, Avirav sir, for the amazing session. Thank you, everyone who has joined us on a Sunday to attend this session. And I hope you will implement these tips that Dhirendra sir has given in your life and drive safe.